Is it possible to hack a Tangem wallet? This is one of the most common questions in the crypto world, and the simple answer is that the card itself is designed to be highly resistant to digital and physical compromise. The core security of the Tangem wallet lies in its secure element chip, which carries an EAL6 Plus certification, a high standard of security found in things like biometric passports. Your private keys are generated and stored right on this chip and are never exposed online. The card communicates only through near-field communication, or NFC, with your smartphone, a short-range, non-internet connection that reduces the attack surface compared to a USB-connected device. Since the key is generated offline and remains offline, the Tangem wallet is immune to traditional online hacking methods like malware, phishing, or server breaches. The firmware on the chip is non-updatable and has undergone independent audits, confirming there are no backdoors. The biggest potential vulnerability is actually its physical security, and that is where your actions matter most. Recent research has shown that extremely sophisticated, laboratory-based attacks, costing thousands of dollars and requiring physical access, could theoretically exploit a weak access code by bypassing the card's security delay. However, Tangem argues these methods are self-defeating and would destroy the card before being successful. The most practical security measure is one you control. Always use a very strong access code, at least 8 characters with letters, numbers, and symbols, to protect your cards. Without this code, a lost or stolen card is essentially useless to a thief. No system is 100% impenetrable, but the Tangem wallet is built with multiple, robust layers of protection. For everyday use, if you use a strong access code and keep your set of cards physically secure and separated, your assets are in one of the safest forms of cold storage available. The risk is extremely low, provided you practice basic security hygiene.